In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your PS5 wallet so you can use the money in the PlayStation Store. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then we're going to select users and accounts. Now, once account loads, we're going to be scrolling over to the right, and we're going to go down to payment and subscriptions. So first, we're going to select payment methods at the top, and this is where you can add a PayPal account or a credit or debit card, and you just want to input the information. And if we go back, it should appear right here once you've done so. So now we're going to go back and we're going to scroll down to add funds to our wallet. And from here, you can select your payment method and select the amount you want to add to your wallet. So we're just going to do $10 and press continue. And it's going to ask, do you want to add $10 to your wallet? Your wallet's going to be charged. I'm going to press yes. And then it just takes a moment to charge the wallet, and we now have $10. Now, if you have a gift card or a code, you can add it here and it'll add funds to your wallet as well. And then it's just a matter of going back to the home menu and you can go to the PlayStation Store and there you can use your funds. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.